The moment this 2025 Range Rover D350 HSE LUMMA rolls into view, you know this isn't your average SUV. With just 150 kilometers on the clock and a full LUMMA widebody already installed, its presence is impossible to ignore. Wide, planted, and aggressively sculpted, this Range Rover commands attention before it even starts moving. Finished in a clean white exterior with deep black accents, the contrast hits hard. Every line looks sharper, every panel more muscular. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a statement. From the bold front fascia to the widened arches, the LUMMA kit transforms the Range Rover into something far more dominant and far more exclusive. Step closer and you'll notice the details. The stance is lower and more confident. The body feels grounded, purposeful, and intimidating in the best way possible. This is the kind of SUV that turns heads at every traffic light and owns the road without trying too hard. Under the hood, the D350 delivers smooth, powerful performance that matches the exterior attitude. Effortless acceleration, refined cruising, and the unmistakable comfort Range Rover is known for. Whether you're gliding through the city or making a bold arrival, this SUV does it with absolute confidence. Inside, it's pure luxury. Premium materials, advanced technology, and that signature Range Rover calm, a perfect balance between aggression on the outside and elegance on the inside. You get power, prestige, and comfort all wrapped into one serious machine. Priced at $4,999,000 with only 150 kilometers driven, this 2025 Range Rover D350 HSE LUMMA isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. Rare, refined, and unapologetically bold. If you want luxury with attitude, presence with confidence, and a SUV that stands far apart from the rest, this is it.